the stillness of dawn, a giant awakens. A machine so vast, it defies logic. Yet so graceful, it dances with the clouds. This is the Airbus A380, the largest passenger aircraft ever built. A flying city in the sky, a triumph of engineering that redefined how humanity travels. But behind its smooth takeoff lies a story of obsession, precision, and pure mechanical genius. How does 600 tons of metal rise effortlessly from the ground and stay there? Today, we go beneath the wings, into the heart of innovation, to uncover how the Airbus A380 takes off and conquers the skies. In the 1990s, Airbus dared to dream beyond imagination. The world's airports were growing crowded, and airlines demanded capacity. Airbus engineers envisioned something radical: an aircraft that could carry over 800 passengers, travel farther than ever before, and offer luxury in every seat. But the dream came with a challenge no one had faced. No existing aircraft, no material, no software could handle a plane of that size. Every rivet, cable, and circuit had to be redesigned from the ground up. It was not just the creation of a new aircraft. It was the birth of a new era in aviation. A flying ecosystem where every part worked in perfect harmony. And soon, that dream would be tested against the limits of physics on the runway. At the heart of the A380 lies raw power, 4 Rolls-Royce Trent 900 engines, each capable of producing more than 70,000 pounds of thrust. Together, they generate enough force to lift a small town into the sky. But brute strength alone wouldn't make this giant fly. The secret was in balance, the art of shaping air. The wings of the A380 are among the most advanced ever built. They stretch nearly 80 meters wide, curved and twisted with microscopic precision. Each contour guides the wind, reducing drag and increasing lift, turning resistance into power. When those engines roar in unison and the wings catch the flow, the A380 doesn't just rise. It ascends with grace, a Titan moving effortlessly through the air. Takeoff, the most dramatic moment of flight. In less than a minute, this massive aircraft must go from stillness to full flight. The A380 accelerates past 290 kilometers per hour, its wheels thundering across the runway. As it speeds up, air flows faster over the curved top of the wings, creating lower pressure above and higher pressure below. This difference becomes lift, the invisible hand that pulls the aircraft upward. But there's no room for error. Too slow and the plane stalls. Too fast and the wings could bend under stress. Pilots time the rotation perfectly, easing the control stick back, letting the nose lift at just the right moment. And in that instant, the impossible happens. The giant breaks free from gravity's grasp, and the Earth falls away beneath its wings. The A380 isn't just an engineering wonder, it's intelligent. Its fly-by-wire system replaces old mechanical controls with advanced computers. Every movement of the pilot's hand is translated into digital signals, analyzed, corrected, and executed instantly. If turbulence strikes or a gust of wind hits during takeoff, sensors react faster than any human could, adjusting the wings and stabilizers automatically. The aircraft doesn't just obey, it collaborates. Inside the cockpit, hundreds of systems communicate at once, monitoring altitude, thrust, and aerodynamic forces in real time. It's a constant dialogue between man and machine, precision and instinct, working together to conquer the sky. At 35,000 feet, the A380 becomes a floating world of its own. 500 passengers, spread across 2 full decks, travel in silence above the clouds. Some sleep, some dine, some gaze at the horizon, unaware of the orchestration of forces that keeps them aloft. This aircraft doesn't just fly, it connects continents, families, and dreams. It represents what humanity achieves when ambition meets ingenuity. From Dubai to Sydney, from London to Los Angeles, the A380 turned air travel into an experience of wonder. It's more than transportation. It's proof that we can conquer the impossible one takeoff at a time. Every legend has its twilight. In 2021, Airbus ended production of the A380, a bittersweet farewell to a giant that once ruled the skies. Airlines moved toward smaller, more efficient aircraft, leaving the Super Jumbo as a monument to a bold era of aviation. Yet its legacy endures. The A380 proved that size could meet elegance, that technology could serve beauty, and that dreams, no matter how heavy, can still fly. It stands as a symbol of human aspiration, a reminder that progress isn't only about efficiency, but about vision. And as the last A380 fades into the sunset, it leaves behind a message that echoes through the clouds. The sky is not the limit. Humanity's pursuit to rise above limits. Our mission is to honor the engineers, pilots, and innovators who shape the future of flight, and to bring you the beauty, brilliance, and bravery behind aviation's greatest achievements. If this journey inspired you, then your place is right here, among those who look up and wonder what's next. Subscribe to SkyForge Aviation, where every week we take you higher, because here, we don't just fly, we forge the skies.